Hi friends! I'm so excited because today we are going to continue subtracting and using some tricky subtraction to help our thinking. So today is Thursday, January 14th, 2021, and you might notice that I'm not here today, but don't worry, I'll be back next week. We're going to learn the way that you used to learn, where you watch a video, you still have your whiteboard and marker, and then you do some problems. So let's get started. We've already gone over our expectations. I want to make sure that today, when Miss McIntyre pauses, you guys are really responding. So if you're in the classroom, if I pause, you're going to make sure that you're responding and showing your work on your whiteboard. And if you're on the computer, then when Miss McIntyre pauses, you're going to make sure you're showing your work on your whiteboard. And Miss Salgado and the other teachers are going to be watching your mouth to make sure that you're answering questions. So you should already have your Nearpod open because that's how you got to this video, and you have your whiteboard and marker. Today we're going to subtract with bundling in vertical form. So let's take a look at what that means. So I've got my whiteboard here. You don't need to have your whiteboard yet. Right now you're just watching. So I have 175 minus 56. If you remember, when we have this big number as our big whole, we're going to put a big magnifying glass around it because that's the big one that we're looking at. So the first thing I want to do is build 175 on my hundreds, tens, and ones chart. You guys have been doing a really nice job with this. So I'm going to draw it with dots or place value discs. I know that 100 is 100, 7 tens, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. Make sure that you have 5 in a row, and then you start your next row down here. And then 5 ones, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not going to build 56 because 175 is my big whole, and that's the number I'm taking away from. So I'm going to be subtracting from 175. My first step is to see if I have enough ones. I need to take away 56, which is 6 ones. Think in your brain, do I have enough ones here to take away 6 ones? No, I don't. So what do you have to do? That's right, I have to unbundle. So I'm going to take a group of 10 and I'm going to turn it into 10 ones. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You guys are experts at this. You did this yesterday too. But today, I want to show this over here on my vertical problem. So I don't have 5 ones anymore. Look at my problem. How many ones do I have? I'm going to move my face up here. How many ones do I have now? That's right, I have 15. So I'm going to cross that out and I'm going to write 15 because the amount of ones I've had has changed. So let's see if I can take from 56 now. I can take, oh, but the amount of tens has changed too. I almost got tricked. I have to change that as well. It used to be 7 tens, but there aren't 7 tens. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now there's 6 tens. So in my tens place, I'm going to change my 7 to a 6. So I'm doing 2 things here. I'm unbundling or decomposing, and I'm changing my big whole over here to match. Now I can take away 56 from 100, 6 tens, and 15 ones. You can do it over here, or you can just come over to your vertical problem and do it from here. So I'm going to start with my ones, and I have 15 minus 6. So think in your brain, what is 15 minus 6? Nice job, Julian knew it. It was 9. 15 minus 6 was 9. Now let's do my tens. 6 tens minus 5 tens. That's right, 1 10. 100 minus 0 hundreds is 100. Good job. So my answer is 119. You can check your work by looking over here and taking away 6 ones, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you get 100, 110, and 9 ones. The same thing that we got here. Now for this next problem, you're going to do it on your own. So whatever I write on my board, I want you to copy. So I'm going to write 115 minus 56. You've got hundreds, tens, ones, just like that. Make sure your ones are lined up. Go ahead and write this down. Then you're going to draw a big magnifying glass around your big hole, just like that. And you can draw your hundreds, tens, and ones chart over here. You can pause this video until everybody's got this drawn. Once you've got it drawn, come on back. Nice job. Everybody's whiteboards should look like mine. So my next step is to build it. So I'm going to build 115, 100, 110, and 5 ones. Let's try to take away 56. I'm looking at my ones here. What's the problem? Yeah, I can't take 6 ones from 5 ones. So what do I have to do? That's right, I have to unbundle. So on your board, I want you to unbundle this group of 10. Go ahead and do it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So now we've unbundled this. So now this has turned into 15. Go ahead and mark your vertical number problem here. Uh-oh, but we've got another problem because now I don't have any tens to take away from, and I know I need to take away 5 tens. So what should I do with this 100? That's right, I need to unbundle it. Go ahead and do this now. 1, 2, tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens, 10 tens. So this turns into a 10. Your board should look like mine. Good. And now do we have any hundreds left? I'm going to go with 0. If I'm going too fast, pause the video so that your board looks like mine. This is all I'm going to do for you now. I want you to find out what is left over. We had 115 minus 56. Pause the video while you find out. Nice job. You should have said 59. Good job, guys. This is a little bit tricky, but not for you. So on your Nearpod, I want you're going to keep doing problems like this. So this is what your whiteboard should look like. I'm going to leave my hundreds, my tens, and my ones like this. I'm going to leave my magnifying glass. So this is what your whiteboard should look like all day, the whole time, okay? So I'm going to give you some different problems on the Nearpod, and you're going to answer them by filling out your whiteboard. Have fun!